And yes, guys, I got the other version of GreatBITE. This is the Team Shark one. I like this is my first water elemental from Hot Wheels. Sharks vs. Dinos for 2025. This is Sharks vs. Dinos. 3 of 8. Pretty cool, guys. I already have both versions. This one and the normal one. Same back. Name, GreatBITE, truck type, creature, strength, Jocelyn Beast, Crash Tech, Ultimate Champion, GreatBITE. I know it's thundering right now. I don't know if you heard it. A little further, do you hear this? Okay, it thundered again. I don't know if you can hear the thunder, guys. So here it is, guys. This one's cooler. I like this. I like the other one too, but this one's pretty cool. The water detail on the tires is really cool, and then the body with the water detail as well. GreatBITE in the front. The teeth are cool. It looks like they're actually coming out, but they're 3D. It's not plastic. Is it plastic? No, it's actually the body. Blue roll cage, light blue chassis, the water tires, Hot Wheels, mouse trucks. Of course, a spoiler with the chrome with the motors in the back. So pretty cool. They have all the trucks, but I'm just getting the ones I don't have. Like, subscribe, comment, show you guys more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.